messed up. So we got the girl out to check the maps, and she says 75 is messed up, 285 is messed up. So she wanted us to get off and go back up 75, all the way up to Georgia 20, and then cut all the way across Georgia 20 from Canton to, I guess, Buford and Roswell to get back up to Jefferson. So we have said no, we're going to go it our way. We got off at Chastain and we cut across, and we were on New Chastain, now we're on Blackwell. I used to know these roads a little bit up here. I've never known them great, but we did some work up here, a good bit of work 20 plus years ago. She's got us turning right on Shallowford, which sounds good to me. And we'll go down to maybe 120 and then cut across to Roswell, go across Sandy Plains into Roswell, then take 140, 19. I don't know, we'll figure it out as we go across road. But right now we're working our way to Shallowford. These red lights up here in East Cobb are delicious, aren't they? This is Ebenezer Road. Follow along, you'll get to see some video, unless you've been watching other people's video and they have video of this. You'll see some video that we do not have and would just as soon not have, and hopefully we will never have again. I don't know if the rain is what messed up 75 and 285. It doesn't take the rain. It doesn't take much of anything to mess up 75 and 285. I can see Atlanta becoming gridlock in 10 years. I mean, literal gridlock, the way it's growing. All the way out to probably Winder. Down almost to Macon, out to Athens. Everywhere. I wonder if any of the builders I work for are still in business. Okay, how much are these from? from 1.3 million, folks. Starting at 1.3 million. There you have it. There've got to be a lot of people making a lot of money, or inheriting a lot of money, stealing a lot of money. They're getting a lot of money from somewhere. She's got us staying on this until we get to Norcross Street in 8 miles. Here's Trickham Road, and we used to be on Trickham Road quite a bit. Now, I lived on Five Forks Trickham in Lilburn, but this is different. Got a bunch of old classic cars back there. I think we're going to be coming up on Sandy Plains up here. I think we used to cut through here. Steinhauer, there's Frank's namesake. I think he had an uncle that lived up here, and that street is named after the Steinhauers. I do remember seeing that when we were up here. I've been in this area a fair amount, but it doesn't look anything like it did when I was up here. And we're headed all the way to Arcade, Georgia. New traffic pattern. Where are we coming up to? We ought to be coming up to Gordy Parkway. I've never heard of Gordy Parkway. This does look familiar. I think we're coming up on Sandy Plains. Yep, Sandy Plains Road. Now we could go Sandy Plains to 92. She's got us going straight across. We used to do that. We used to come through here quite a bit. This Publix over here to the left, that was the only thing up here to eat. We would stop in there and get something at the Publix. I tell you what. We're going to need to change batteries here, depending on how long we make this video. Okay, we changed batteries while the light was red. So y'all haven't missed anything. Videoing this with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Johnson Ferry dead ends into Shallowford up here, I think, if I remember correctly. We had a builder, her and her brother, I think it was, had an office up here, Palladian. And she was right proud of letting you know that they are direct descendants of the Italian architect Palladian. What was her name? Pat. Her name was Pat. And I remember her last name, but I won't repeat it. My daughter used to make fun. She'd call and leave a message. You know, Richard, Pat here. We have worked for what I would say are the absolute premium, best builders in the, I would say anywhere in the United States. builders in the entire world. Builders that would make the same mistake house after house after house. Never learn. I don't, but anyway. But I got to a point where I only worked for select people. If I had any grief whatsoever out of a builder, I wouldn't work for him. Or either there was one builder, and he still owes me over $4,000. But when I got to where I was doing, I'm not sure how he got me on that either. But I got to where I was making him put up a retainer. And when the retainer would start getting down to about zero, I'd make him replenish it, or I wouldn't do any more work for him. Oh well, and still ended up getting me. Yeah, right there. That right there was their office. Palladian Builders, or either right there in that office complex. Yeah, this is Johnson Ferry. It ends right here. Down there to the right, boy, we did so much work down there off Johnson Ferry. Yeah, but I got where I was only working for top-end builders. And most of the builders, they never even asked me to price a house. I had one builder that told me, one of the best builders in Georgia, probably the best builder, one of the best builders in the country. After working for him over 20 years, he told me I was the only sub he had that had not let him down at one point or another. And at a walkthrough. And he'd been in business, I don't know. Him and his wife, he was a foreman for a big builder and then started building for himself. I had my real estate license with his wife. She was a broker for a while. Really liked that. That worked out real good. I really liked Buckhead Brokers too. I didn't like Caldwell Banker at all, but I liked Buckhead Brokers. Now this is going to take us into Roswell somewhere. I've been down through here quite a few times, but I don't remember exactly where it comes out. But then too, it's been anticipating us hitting Highway 9, Roswell Road, going north to 140 and cutting east on 140. Another new house. There's probably an old one there, and they pushed it down and building that one. Hit Roswell by now, though. Okay, she's got Norcross Street, 1.1 miles. New subdivisions. There's still new stuff all over the place up here. I haven't done any subcontract work since when? 2013? Well, maybe 2012 when I went to work for Ameritrust Residential, WRI, doing foreclosure, buying foreclosure properties, renovating them, overseeing them. That was the most interesting job I've ever had, that's for sure. Okay, now we used to come out right here. We'd cut down through there. Okay, this is going to come out in Roswell. Yeah, we cut down through there to 120 and come through up here to cut some time off, or some road distance off. I think I'm right. Yes, yes, yes. We are right here. We are going to go straight across, and then we're going to well, I guess we'll be going straight across. Now this will be Roswell Road up here, Highway 9, Georgia Highway 9, Mimosa Boulevard. We just crossed it. Now we can go straight, but we want to go left here, I think. No, we want to go straight across. Left goes right into that little shopping district, and we're going to go straight on Highway 9.